Hello everybody, my name is King of Horror, but you can call me X. And today, it's just a quick video that I felt like making on a random Wednesday, and it is going to feature my Bird Air electric scooter. So let's go check that out. So here is the Bird Air electric scooter. A little 360 view. The little blinking light back here, good for when you're riding in the dark. If you live in the city, it would be perfect so people can actually see you. Kickstand, always good when you have to get off suddenly and you don't really want to lean it up against anything. You don't have anything to lean it up against. And up here, we've got the speedometer. Right now it's on miles per hour. It's kind of a little blurry, so try to make that. Yeah, there we go. Power button, battery level, throttle, gas. There's also a little emergency brake right there. And right now I have it on the fastest setting. It goes up to around 17 miles per hour, which is really fast. But it has 3 modes. It has the I don't think it actually has a name. I'll just call it the slow mode, where the max speed is 9 miles per hour. Then there's the medium mode, where the max is 13, and then there's the fast mode that I like it on. That one goes up to 17. So I'm just gonna give you some ride-by views of each speed so you can see the differences. This is low. This is medium. And this is high. So those were the different speeds. Some other things that I forgot to mention, the cool features that it has a headlight for when you're riding in the dark. It can also fold. Unfortunately, I couldn't get any onboard footage because holding the camera and riding the bird full speed would be too dangerous. So, this is where our video will end. And Bird, if you're watching, here's some free advertising for you. You're welcome. So, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.